Trial number 1 in the morning. Welcome everybody. First of 8 trials this morning about to get underway. Field of 6 starting proceedings. Outback Hall in 1, Sea Goddess 2, State of Play 3, Noble Vision 4, My Strategic Miss, Anvil Gav. They are set, ready, green light, arms fold back, they're away. State of Play runs their gate early doors. Out deep on the track, Noble Vision under hard restraint. The State of Play is going to get to the top spot very comfortably down past the judges. Really fired up. Noble Vision gets to second. It's without cover early doors. Everybody else falls in a single file. Up to third, Outback Hall, Sea Goddess, My Strategic Miss, and Anvil Gav goes back to last. Racing towards the 1800 metre marker. And the leader is the State of Play. Tina Edison, the Spider, takes the field to the back straight the first time. Leads out by a full length. In second spot is Outback Hall. He's found the gun run in behind the front runner. 3 back markers third is Sea Goddess, tracked up by My Strategic Miss, still pulling very hard. On the outside, the only horse off the marker line is Noble Vision. It's under hard restraint back second last, and back at the tail is Anvil Gav as they run towards the top turn. Leader dictating well towards the 1400. It is still the State of Play in full control. In second spot is Outback Hall. 6 metres away back in third is Sea Goddess. Then My Strategic Miss. Still under hard restraint, Noble Vision back second last. And Anvil Gav is still last with the entire herd in front of him. They come off the top turn. Past the 1200 metre marker. And out in front the leader, doing it comfortably. The State of Play, first quarter 32-2. She's dictating well. In second spot, Outback Hall. He's getting every hope behind this front runner. As they come down, they get the bell. 3 back the inside, still Sea Goddess as they hold formation. As Noble Vision still pulling hard. He's out wide on the track trying to push forward. Now he has extremely over-raced. Then on the inside, the My Strategic Miss. And still last is Anvil Gav. Out of the straight, past the 850. Leader of the State of Play. Takes him, heading towards the back straight the final time. Leads by a full length. Second is Outback Hall. Third, Sea Goddess. Then on the outside, then to Noble Vision from My Strategic Miss. And still last is Anvil Gav. And 8 quarter again, 32-2. Running down the back straight past the 600. Leader, the State of Play. Rated beautifully out in the lead. Second is Outback Hall. That pair is still 6 metres clear of Sea Goddess. Then My Strategic Miss. Giving ground already, Noble Vision, and Anvil Gav running into bums at the tail, heading towards the 400. Leader, State of Play, still should have a kick left. Outback Hall sticks to its second. Third, Sea Goddess, then My Strategic Miss. 30 neat down the back. The State of Play snuck clear here, heading towards the top of the straight. Outback Hall can do no more. Sea Goddess up to second, then My Strategic Miss. Anvil Gav runs up behind him. It's still in front, the State of Play. Anvil Gav, Sea Goddess, My Strategic Miss giving chase. The State of Play still in front. The State of Play is going to bring it all the way. The State of Play scores by 5. Second, Anvil Gav snuck right up along the inside, taking all the drop ups. Third in My Strategic Miss, the stable race. Then Sea Goddess, Noble Vision, never ever a factor, and knocking right up Outback Hall was run last.